Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to today's webinar, which is all about how you can create income using the power of internet. So this session is for all those people who are serious to create an income. Okay, it's not just about, it's just not for those people who just come here to pass their time, to kill some like 45-50 minutes for themselves because they don't have anything to do. It's not for them. Only if you're serious and you're committed to learn and then take action to start an online income stream for yourselves, then only you will get the maximum benefit out of this webinar. Right? So don't worry if you are a college student, employee, self-employed, housewife, retired professional, or you are complete, unaware of the digital field. Don't worry at all, because this system is equal to all. In this opportunity, there will be in this webinar, there will be an equal opportunity for all those people who are just willing to learn and take some serious action. So don't worry what knowledge you have or what you don't have. It's not required here. Okay, the only thing required is your learning attitude. All right. So now just tell me this thing. Do you face any of these problems? First one being insufficient income. Yeah. Yes. Right. Yes, I know that. You know why? Not just because of the lockdown, but even before that. So it's a proper stat that more than 95% of the people, their expenses always exceed their income. Yeah, and you see that all around, and that creates a lot of financial stress in people's life, right? They get into loans, they get into bad debts, then they have some EMIs and credit card and all that. Okay, so their expenses are always way ahead than their income. And most importantly, in fact, it's a very unfortunate thing that most of the people have only one income stream. Yeah, and that is the reason that they can never find their income sufficient. Most of the people don't enjoy that luxury in your life. If you also have that kind of problem in your life, don't worry. Okay, be happy, because you're in this webinar. So I congratulate you for that, because in the webinar you will get all the solution to that. Second thing is that which is happening in the current times a lot, that we are wasting our time on social media. We are not actually able to use that time for some productive activity. Okay, most important being how to earn from internet. So we are just watching a lot of ads, a lot of different free webinars, but we don't take action. So this time, attend this webinar only with a commitment in your heart that you will be committed to use that time productively. I'm going to give you the solution and platform to do that. If you're tired of your daily monotonous routine, right? If you find that boring, okay, to do that work daily, to just attend those classes online or maybe offline, and you're looking for some new challenge, you're looking for some new activity to pursue which can give you some freshness in life, can give you some more challenge in life and create some good income for you, this is the webinar to be. Last but not the least, if you have that FOMO thing, right, fear of missing out, which usually comes in a lot of youngsters these days because of the social media, when they say a lot of people leading a luxurious life and you feel left out, right? Or maybe you might be jealous of your neighbor or of your colleague, because despite putting less effort, he's gaining a lot of growth in his career. And I can understand, I can read your mind, right? You feel envious, you feel jealous, but don't worry. Here in this webinar, you'll get a solution that you can also grow yourself as a brand on social media, or you can grow yourself in your career, be it job, be it business, or be it your studies. You can create a lasting impact and earn good, right? So these are some of the problems that people usually face, and I promise you in this webinar, you'll get a great solution of that, right? So let's get ahead. What is the solution then? A basic simple solution is start earning online, period. Mic drop, whatever you want to call it. That's the end of story. You need to start earning online. This is the high time, brother. I mean, if you're just wasting your time scrolling endlessly on maybe TikTok or Instagram or whatever entertainment app that you find your hands on, right, it won't serve the cause. It won't help you. It won't eradicate these problems. You have to be aware of this fact now and accept that yes, online is the new normal. Everything is getting online, and for that, you need to create income sources for yourself. Why start earning online? Most important, it can give you a new income source. Now just imagine if you're a student and you start some new online income, you'll become self-dependent. If your salary is around 30-40,000, if you're an employee, an extra 10 to 15,000 a month can create some, ease out that financial stress for you. It can give you some more savings as well. If you're a retired professional, extra income won't, harm anything. It will help you out, right? So it's high time that you start online earning. But are people actually able to earn online? No. You know why? There are three fears that stop them from doing so. First one is they want to earn, but they don't have any guidance. They don't know which way to go, right? They're confused. because there is an overload of information on social media these days. Some guy is saying do SEO, some guy is saying create a website, some other person is saying do affiliate marketing, some is saying do network marketing, some is saying do this, someone is saying do that. So because of this information overload, we get confused which option to choose, right? You need a good guidance and direction, but most of the people don't get that. That's why they don't get started with the online income. Second thing is, even if you get a good direction, you've got to have a platform, right? And nothing comes for free, because to have any platform or system, you need to pay something, right? That's the basic thing. So if you want some good platform, I can provide you a solution in this webinar. Don't worry about that, because of the investment thing, a big risk factor comes in people's mind. Yeah, we don't want to take any risk, right? But if you're not willing to take risk, if you want to have a risk-free opportunity, this webinar is a solution for you. If you stay till the end only, because see, I want to talk only to serious people. If you're not serious for your life, if you're not serious for yourself, I request you to please leave this webinar and spend your time elsewhere. But if you're serious, definitely this is the place to be. Why am I saying so? Because currently, if I tell you about myself, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I own 3 companies. I have 3 startups. I'm a sales and startup specialist. I help people to get started with their business. I help them into sales. And over the period of last 8 years, I've trained more than 25,000 people into sales, personality development, communication, entrepreneurship, leadership. Different things have my forte, but main being the sales, right? Now I've also started training people into affiliate marketing, and we've started getting some great results, which I'm just going to share with you, right? So far my audience have been into corporate field, entrepreneurs, students, retired professionals, ladies, all those sorts. So why am I sharing this with you? I'm not sharing this with you just to brag or tell about myself. No, what I want to share here is the person you're listening to, the person that you're viewing on your mobile screen or your laptop screen, is the current reality of mine. Cut to some 7 to 8 years back, when I was into second year of my college, I was pursuing engineering, right? And I completed it with 75%. Right in the second year, I understood this very basic thing, that as promised by the whole society, that engineering is in scope. If you do engineering, you'll get a good package, right? Even my college promised that. But slowly, after the end of my first year, I understood that this is not the actual scenario. It's very tough to find a good job, because along with me, there are more than 15 lakh engineering students in the country, and there are not that many jobs, right? And moreover, if I find that job, I won't find the good value out of that, because the salary which I'll be getting will be way too less for me to survive in this competitive environment and this high expensive environment, right? And along with that, even after I spend that much of time there, I won't get free in my life, because that will be an active source of income, right? As soon as I'm active, I'll be able to get income. Along with that, I understood this very basic thing, that there'll be a lot of competition, right? What if I lose my job? And the fear has come true, right? A lot of millions of jobs have been left in this COVID-19 period, right? So that was one thing that triggered my mind, that I don't want to sell myself short. I don't want to sell myself for just like 4 lakh, 5 lakh or 6 lakh per annum, because I find my value is much more than that, right? And hence, to attain that freedom part, I started creating new business, right? I went into entrepreneurship. Okay, I borrowed some money from my friends. I started my business venture. I had my share of failures and I had my share of successes as well, which I just share with you. And all of this happened because of just one simple reason, that I found that my value is way ahead than the market can judge me for that. Along with that, I understood this thing, that I need to have multiple sources of income so that I can live a life of freedom, right? And see, today it's the case that different colleges invite me for sessions on startup and business. So whatever I'm going to share with you will come only out of my personal experience, right? And since I found that not only I, but there are lakhs of people who are struggling every day in terms of money, in terms of career, in terms of different kinds of stress. So I created a mission for them. My mission is to help 1 lakh people on 1 lakh per month from social media by working from anywhere. Okay, I want to give them this option that they can be free to work from anywhere and earn into 6 figures, right? Because that figure is kind of considered as a luxury here, right? But that's just a beginning figure. You can have way more than that. And so far, my mission has started gaining success. In the last 2 months, we have created almost 10 people who earn 1 lakh per month. Okay. And all of them are very, very young in age. And that has happened because I created a system to fulfill that mission. And in that system, I'll teach and help you how you can learn and earn through affiliate marketing. Okay. See, there is one such story of Ritvik Tiwari, who was an employee sometime back earning less than 20,000 a month. But with the use of our system, he earned 1,25,000 in just 22 days. That system uses affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Before starting my mission, I researched about different kinds of online business. And I found that there are thousands of online business that a person can do out there, but they are mainly divided into 4 kinds of categories. First one being e-commerce or drop shipping, where you use internet to sell your product. One of my 3 companies is an e-commerce portal, same as Punk Eco-Friendly Products. I, along with my partner, invested lakhs of rupees into it to start, right? But because of the lockdown period, we had to put that business on hold because the logistics company, the courier services were not active, right? So everybody is not, willing to take that much amount of risk. Okay. We did that, but no, thankfully, thanks to God, I had multiple sources of income. So that is the reason why I'm still, happy. I'm still enjoying my life. But had that been the case, as it does with a lot of people, that they focus only on one business, they don't create multiple streams of income and take that much big risk. Everybody can't do that, right? Second thing is blogging and blogging. If you find that your words have power, if you have good command over your vocabulary, and you have good creative skills into video making, you can try blogging and blogging, right? You can grow big, but you need to be creative and talented. I mean, to think out of the box every single time. Not everybody can do that. Third thing is, which is very much in trend, digital and social media marketing, right? People are selling digital media courses for $299. You can become a YouTube master for $399. So you can very well imagine how much competition is out there. Even if you want to start your digital journey now, you need to invest time and money to learn that, then practice it, create some good results so that people can trust you. And only after that, you will be able to earn. And that process can easily take around 6 months to 1 year. Okay. But why do I recommend affiliate marketing? I chose affiliate marketing because I find it one step ahead than any of these categories. Because affiliate marketing suits the common man like you and me, who are not in a stage to invest much, who are not in a state to take big risk, who are not in a state to focus only on one thing and leave their permanent business or job. No, it suits the common people like you and I, because it doesn't require your investment, it doesn't require talent, it doesn't require much of your time. All right, finding it curious? Let's get ahead with that. See, into my research now, I found out there are more than 100 of benefit of affiliate market, but I'm just gonna share only major 7 with you. Now just imagine, if you're a 10th pass or 10th fail, doesn't matter. If you're a college dropout or a college pass out, doesn't matter, because there is no qualification required to start an affiliate marketing business. Now just imagine, this business is totally tension free. Okay. See, if you own an affiliate marketing business, you don't need to create your product because you promote other people's product, right? You don't need to take care of this courier or its delivery, right? You don't need to think about the taxes and all. All of that is taken care by the owner of that product, by that merchant, right? You as an affiliate do only 2% of the work. Rest of the 98% headache is handled by that merchant only. What's that 2% work? Promote. Simple, right? Third thing, you can work from anywhere. I've seen most of the people take their mobile phone into the washroom. Yeah, listen to songs, watch movies, even talk to friends, even while doing whatever they want to do, right? So it gives you that flexibility because internet is available everywhere. Social media is available everywhere. All right. So I just took that in a lighter vein. Hope you got the whole point, right? What if I tell you, you will be your own boss? You won't have anybody to give you target or time limit or pressurize or force you to do any work. No. As an affiliate, you will be an independent business owner. You will be an independent affiliate. You can sign your own paycheck yourself because it is up to you to decide your goal, put in efforts there and earn from that. All right. And as I told you, it involves very, very less investment. I mean, with our system, you can start your own affiliate income with an investment of, say, less than a branded shirt, or just less than what you would spend on a birthday party, even less than that. All right. And see, you will have 24/7. I mean, you will have your customers flowing in 24/7 for you. You know why? Because internet is active every time. 2 weeks back, one person purchased the product through my affiliate link in the morning at 4 o'clock. I was deep asleep there, right? What happened? Kind of passive income, right? And most importantly, you'll get good commission. Trust me, I have 3 companies, right? So I know the profit margins in the conventional market, in the business world, are just like around 10% to 30% max. But here in affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions of up to 50%. And with our system, you can earn commission of more than 65% as well. All right. If you stay here till the end, you will get to know that. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? See, as an affiliate, you're just a middleman or a connecting medium between a merchant and a customer. Okay. So you tie up with a merchant who has a product. You promote their product on social media. The customer sees that product and he purchases it. And in this process, you earn commission because that merchant got a sale because of you. So that merchant pays you a commission. All right. Now let's take an example of some more middlemen, because as an affiliate, you're just a connecting medium or a middleman. Most of the startups who have gained good success in the world right now in the 21st century have been just a connecting medium between two entities. So like merchant and we have a customer, and in middlemen it came like Uber and Ola. So these are the cab services which connected a merchant who has a cab and a customer who wants to use that cab service. You can take example of Amazon as well, whose owner Jeff Bezos is the richest person in the world. Amazon doesn't own a single product, just like Ola and Uber. They don't own a single cab. Oyo doesn't own a hotel, but still they are billion-dollar companies. Why? Because they just became a connecting medium between a merchant and a customer. As an affiliate, you do exactly the same thing. So you have that kind of potential to earn and grow big. And trust me, if you search on internet, you will find that globally people are earning into $1 million. That means in Indian currency, it is around 5 to 7 crore rupees every single month people earn from affiliate marketing. Yes, it took them some time. Yes, but they didn't reach 5 crore rupees a month. They started with 50,000, right? So you tell me, even if you start earning like 5,000 a month, sitting at a home, giving just 1 hour or 2 hours a day, won't that be a great thing? Yeah, later on you can increase it by increasing your learning and your efforts. So to start with affiliate marketing, you need to do two things. First, find a product that you want to promote and get yourself registered with an affiliate program that provides you that product to market. When you register yourself with that affiliate program, you will get a unique link. With the help of that link, if you promote it on social media and you get a sale, you will earn commission on that. It's a very basic, very simple thing to do. Okay, it's just a matter of a snap. Okay, so 3 secrets to become a high earning millionaire. Now here I'm going to tell you how. So far I've told you how you can become a good affiliate, right? How you can start with it, but now it comes the main part, the earning part. So listen to it very carefully, right? First secret is the product, because that's the main thing that you're gonna promote. Okay, so to find a good product, a high selling product that can give you good income, that can get you some good response from the market, you need to understand this very basic thing, that your product should be a necessity for people. Now nowadays people don't want to spend on much on physical product. They want to spend on digital products because they want to sit at their home and they want to use that product at their home only with just one click. But what kind of digital products do people need? People need those kind of digital products now which can either increase their skills so that they can exceed in their career, or which can help them to earn online. And tell me honestly, you are here because you were actually looking for something to earn online, right? And that curiosity brought you here in this webinar. So you can see yourself, because you see, all of the people, most of the people, they think alike. Okay, so there are millions of people who are looking to earn online, and they are looking for these kinds of trainings, these kinds of sessions for that, right? So your product should be a necessity. People want to improve their skills. People want to improve their personality. They want to improve their communication skills. They want to make good videos. They want to become a digital marketer. They want to earn online. They want to become a social media influencer. They want to invest in stock market, get money out of that. These things are in huge demand right now. So your product should be into that category to earn big income for that, right? From that. Now your income, your course should provide a solution. Then only you will get good income, right? It has to provide a solution and it should be a value for money for a customer. Look, see, those people who understood this thing, they associated with us. Like we have even students from IIT Kanpur, the smartest brains in India. Okay, we have Piyush who won 4,000 within just 2 days because he used our system. He understood how much product is needed, and even highly qualified people, sharpest people like qualified CS, chartered accountants like Tarundeep, he earned 62,000 in 24 days by just promoting the products because he found them useful. Now, what's the second secret? When you found a product, when you got yourself registered, now you need to market that product. Now, to market that product, you need to put content on social media. You can use whatever medium you want. You can create a blog. You can create a website. You can do it on your Facebook page. You can run an Instagram ad and create a good profile there. You have Facebook, you have WhatsApp, you have TikTok, you have LinkedIn, you have, there are n numbers of social media apps out there. But what you need to do for that? You need to take action. What kind of action? Put out content there. What kind of content? Text. You can start a blog. You can write good posts. You can put images there. Through image, you can promote your product. Third thing is the podcast, audio format. You can start a podcast, and most important of them is the video format, right? If you become a video making master, now trust me on this, the kind of revenue that you'll get in a short span of time can never be imagined. It will be huge. Okay, so you need to be good at video making. What did you say? You fear making videos, but you want to make videos? Yeah, don't worry. In this webinar, I'll give you a solution if you want to become a video making master. Yeah. So that's the second secret. You need to put out content there, like create a personal brand for yourself. That's what Navya did. So Navya is a student into college. She is, I guess she's into third year now. Okay. And she started creating a personal brand. And because of that brand, she got invited into, by a lot of social media influencers into their live sessions. And not just that, she was able to earn 10,000 rupees in just 30 days into this lockdown period. She kind of became self-dependent, right? Third secret is the platform and the ecosystem. You need to understand that to grow well, you need to have some guidance, right? So if you have some good training, you need to take trainings. I mean, you need to invest in your learning. You cannot help that. Okay. Freebie seekers cannot become successful in any business. Okay. So that's the first thing to do. You need to learn, and you need to learn continuously. And most important factor is implement that learning. Be accountable, be honest with yourself, and take action. Okay, I know, for all the 500 or whatever people who are sitting in this webinar, all of them want to learn, all of them want to earn. But the most important thing is not everybody will be able to do so. You know why? Because people don't follow these three systems, these three secrets. Okay, they just want to sit there and, rub a lamp and imagine that a genie will pop up and will give you money. That won't happen. You need to put in efforts, right? And that's what Mr. Owais did. Okay, so Owais was under a debt. He had to pay some big EMI, right? And he had a strong reason. He used this platform. He found this platform very powerful and earned 73,000 in just 7 days by using our system. Okay, so if you have a strong reason, we have a strong platform for you to learn and earn. Okay, so if you believe that you seriously want to learn, you seriously want to earn how to create money on social media, but you don't have a proper guidance, I have an offer for you that whatever the system that I have created that has produced these kinds of results that I have just shared with you, these are only a few, right? But we have into like thousands of results. But if you want to duplicate those kinds of results, if you want to learn how people did that, we have an offer for you that we can offer you the exact same system which we have given these people, and they have learned and earned from it, right? That system is BizGurukul. So the name of our brand is BizGurukul. It's a part of Gyankosh Education Services, is the brand of this organization, which is my own firm, right? I'm the sole proprietor of it. It's a GST registered firm, properly legal. Don't worry about that, right? The GST certificate is available on our website. You can check it out on Google, right? So what is BizGurukul's mission? So our mission is to create an army of 1 lakh affiliate marketers in India, so that we can make it self-reliant, as our Prime Minister Modi has said, right? And our vision is to be into the top affiliate business in India. And for that, we have created some great quality products and services for you. So our product are e-learning courses. As I told you, these are digital courses. Anybody can access it from anywhere. And these are a combination of two things. One is the skill development. So we provide you those kinds of skills which will help you to grow in your career, in your job, business, studies, or whatever. And the second thing is we're going to train you. We'll give you unlimited trainings through which you can start to learn how to earn online. And if you implement those training, your income can grow as these people have grown their income. All right. So we give you a combination of skill development and trainings on social media, right? And these are some of the feedbacks that people give us, right? They're too much happy with our product because we always focused on providing qualitative value to people, right? So there is one story of Karthik Dang who used our system, used our product. He comes from a business background. Due to lockdown, his business was not running good. So he started working with us and created a new income stream for himself, earned 48,000 rupees in just 8 days. But here I'm just going to tell you one thing. If you're just thinking that you will come here and see it is kind of a lottery or an investment plan, no, it is not. Okay. Nobody will be able to duplicate each other's results because each one's result will be different. You know why? Because it will depend on your learning. It will depend on your efforts. It will depend on how much action you want to put in. Yes, you can get these kinds of results and even way better than that. Owais, I just shared with you, joined just 7 days ago and earned 73,000. So he's gonna create a history by becoming the fastest 1 lakh achiever, right? So it depends upon you. He has put in massive efforts because he had a strong reason. Do you have that kind of strong reason? Then we welcome you to our platform. All right, be ready to work hard. So till now I've told you about the affiliate program, the the affiliate marketing whole system. Then I've told you what kind of results we have created, what kind of system that we offer. So it's time to understand what kind of skills that we provide you. So basically we have created two packages for you. Okay, the first one is the gold package. In this package we provide you an advanced personality development course. So in the market I charge like 5,000 rupees for this kind of program, because that is my own product. I created this training program for you. Okay, no motivation into that. I've included only practical philosophies that I've told people that I've been training people about for the last 8 years. Okay, so let's have a small trailer, a demo video of this course. So basically it's in Hindi. Okay, but don't worry, we are adding subtitles into it. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll just give you a small glimpse.
तो कोई भी मैसेज भेजने से पहले उनकी प्रोफाइल अच्छे से स्टडी कर लें, उनकी बायो में देख लें कि वो कहाँ रहते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आप उनसे बात स्टार्ट करें. तो आपका पहला मैसेज हाय की जगह अगर ये होगा कि सर मैंने आपकी प्रोफाइल को देखा और मुझे
Yeah, so that was just a small glimpse of it. So that is the course. Okay, I've just shared the module, the content of the course with you, the index of the course. So I'll be training you how you can develop your personality at 3 levels: physical level, social level, and mental level. Wherein I'll be telling you about the physical fitness, the grooming, your looks, dressing sense, body language, how to communicate in a better way on social media. Along with that, how you can improve your body language, your confidence, how you can strengthen your mind, how you can protect it from negative impact, from negative people, negative influence. And along with that, I'm going to share you that secret bonus formula which has helped me in my life to exceed and create multiple businesses, right? So in this program we have one more course for you, but along with that we will provide you lots and lots of trainings on creating a whole brand for yourself on social media. Even if you are a company newbie, even if you don't have a Facebook or Instagram account, don't worry, you're most welcome. We'll teach you everything from the basic, everything from the zero part. Okay, and providing you a lot of service, a lot of content through which you can start promoting any product that you want to earn from social media as an affiliate marketer. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you 3 bonuses as well. All right, so the second course that we have provided here is the Video Superstar course, which can help you create better videos. It will help you to remove the fear of making videos, create some great content for your videos, structure the video in such a way that people will get attracted to it. Along with that, it will tell you how you can record, shoot, and edit your videos. Along with that, the most important part would be to monetize your video, how you can actually use those videos to earn income from that. It will be included into this. All right, so just a glimpse of that.
2 तरह के डर होते हैं. पहला होता है इंटरनल, दूसरा होता है एक्सटर्नल. यानी एक ऐसा डर जो इंटरनल कारणों से हमारे पैदा होता है. जैसे कि इसमें आते हैं मेनली 2 तरह के डर. सबसे पहला कि हमें ये डर लगता है कि हम कैमरा पे शायद अच्छे नहीं दिखेंगे, हमारा लुक इतना अच्छा नहीं.
Yeah, so that was just a trailer of this course. Okay, a video from that. So in the gold package we provide you 2 courses and lots of trainings online, right? And some new course will be added very soon. All right, then comes the second package, which is the platinum package. In platinum package we provide you a course which is based on your communication skills and your public speaking ability. It's called Master Public Speaker course, and Mr. Keshav Lal has designed this course, whose clientele includes big millionaire entrepreneurs, big businessmen, like the owner of Manohar Lal Jewellers is his client, the owner of Hans and Lotus Publication is his client, right? So he has some good reputation in the society in terms of a public speaking and business coach. So let's have a small trailer.
Maintain that thing, because that actually helps you to boost your confidence naturally. And if you're practicing this thing, this is the trick we are going to practice again in order to learn to create this power in your voice. See, the power simply means the variation, this up and down in your volume. How it works is very simple. See, it's a very simple practice that pretty sure you've noticed a lot of people speaking on stage who suddenly just go up with their voice and suddenly they will just go.
Right. All right, Ben, that was just a glimpse. Okay. This course has over 3.5 hours of content, over like 25 videos, roughly around 29-30 videos are there in this program. Okay, it will train you how you can boost your confidence, how you can be more energetic speaker, how you can master the art of storytelling, how you can create some good content for you, how the big public speaker, the powerful public speakers think, what is the pattern, what is the speaking style, how you can improve your voice quality and pronunciation. Along with that, your hand gestures, body language, everything which is required for you to become a master public speaker, be it in terms of delivering these webinars, be it in terms of making videos, or standing on this stage and mesmerizing hundreds of people. So this is how how such a powerful course it is. So in the platinum package, along with this course, we'll be adding some new courses as well, but we will provide you all those kinds of trainings for the whole lifetime. Trust me on this, okay? The access will be for lifetime for you. Okay, so some new courses which we'll be adding up are based on personal branding, Facebook and Instagram marketing, and then Facebook Messenger marketing, through which you can create chatbots for yourself and create a whole automatic system into your business. We'll also tell you how you can generate great leads with the help of Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Okay, how you can develop a Instagram profile as a social media influencer. We'll get all of that into that. Okay, very soon it will be launched, and we are planning to add one more category after the lockdown period, which will be for entrepreneurs. So if you are the one who want to have a startup, who want to start a new business venture from scratch, from zero, and raise it to $1 million, this is the course to buy. Okay, but it will be launched after lockdown, so don't worry for that. Okay, you still have time. So we'll be conducting a lot of offline workshops, and online workshops are already being conducted on every Sunday. Okay, so we invite people from different backgrounds. Like we invited Mr. Keshula for one session on goal setting.
गोल विजन बोर्ड, ये 5 चीजों का आपको ध्यान रखना है. गोल कार्ड, राइट डाउन. गोल कार्ड, गोल बुक, गोल अकाउंटेंट, गोल मैनेजर.
Yeah, then Keshav sir did one more session for us. Then we invited a social media influencer. We invited us an experienced dietitian, okay, to guide our customers and affiliates how as a businessman they can keep themselves healthy in terms of diet. So we focus on holistic development. We're not just focused about making money. We're focused on your overall development. And in that series, we invited one more experienced person from spirituality field who told us how we can use our energy, our spirituality to grow as an entrepreneur. Along with that, I also created a session for people in which they can learn what kind of mistakes they do in business and affiliate marketing. So we promote these kind of trainings, we organize them, and it's the result of these kind of training that even students into second year like Atharva are able to earn 52,000 in just 17 days. And he also purchased a new iPhone 11 for himself by using that money, selling his old phone, combine those income, and he purchased an iPhone 11 for himself, right? So these are some of the income screenshots, because at times people are too much cynical about this can't happen, this and that. So it's an answer for them. We have payment screenshot as well, right? Every week we pay income to hundreds of people who are earning as an affiliate with us. So if you are still available in this webinar, because a lot of people have left, why? Because they were actually not serious. They were just pretending to be serious. But if you're still on this webinar, it means that you're actually serious to attend this. You're actually serious for your life. Okay, so I'm going to share you how you can start with us. To begin with, you need to purchase either a gold package or a platinum package. Why? Because first you need to register yourself with us. Okay, so is this an investment? No, it is for your own learning. Because first of all, if you don't know what's inside the product, if you don't taste it, if you don't actually feel the benefit of it, why would you recommend it? Because that's a wrong way to do affiliate marketing or any kind of promotion. If you're not honest, you won't be able to get success. And you can promote that product with full conviction only if you have learned from it, only if you have used it. So in this product, we train you about a lot of things. Okay, so it's a great benefit for you. You can start with that, and on registration, you will get your own unique link. With the help of your link, you can promote it. Okay, so let me just give you a small little picture here. When you register yourself with us by either purchasing a gold or a platinum package, you immediately become an affiliate with us. Okay, now if you become an affiliate with us and you want to promote it, just recall how you came to this webinar. Either a person on social media or one of your friends shared some posters, some banners, some content which made you interested to know about this earning opportunity, right? You need to do exactly the same. If you find these products are good, just promote it to people, okay, on social media, invite them to this webinar, and here we will train them about the whole idea. We will give them the whole idea, the whole presentation, and if they find it interesting and purchase the product from your link because you have invited them, you will earn the commission. As simple as that, right? You are promoting it to help them to learn, to help them to grow their skills, to help them to earn. Okay, so that is what you will do, but you will be only doing that if you yourself like the product, right? So first you need to use that and then you can start promoting it. So for gold package, see, if you go out there and see, a lot of people say that these kinds of courses are available for free. So let me just ask you, if the courses are available for free on YouTube, how much learning have you made out of it? Yeah, I mean, do you consider yourself that much a great public speaker that if you are made to stand in front of 100 people on a stage, will you be able to deliver a speech of 1 hour? No, right? We don't value the free content. Yes, but on YouTube, this content is unstructured, and also you don't know about the authenticity of it. Here, whatever the trainers are, whosoever the trainers are here, have more than like 5 or 6 hours of experience, years of experience. Okay, so you get premium content which you won't be able to get on YouTube. Nobody shares the premium content, premium knowledge there. Why would they? Right? So it's a complete myth, because you yourself know you have learned nothing from YouTube, right? If that is the case, then you would have already been earning a lot from that, right? But we don't do that. Okay, we only value for the things for which we have paid. So for gold, you just need to pay 2,999 rupees. Okay, you'll get the personality development course, you'll get the video making course, and 3 bonuses as well. Okay, now when you start with the gold package, you learn and you start promoting, and because of your promotion, if you get a sale of gold package or a platinum package, you will get 2,000 rupees as commission. Now just imagine, just like Navya, who was able to make just 5 gold package sales in the whole month, she earned 10,000 in 30 days, right? She becomes self-dependent. Now you can very well imagine, if you get that extra 10-15,000, what kind of good impact can it have in your life. If you start with the platinum package, you just need to pay 9,999 rupees, that inclusive of GST. So roughly you're paying around 8,500 rupees. The rest goes to GST, to the government. And if you start with a platinum package and you start promoting, on platinum sale you will get 7,000 rupees, on gold sale you will get 2,000 rupees. Clear with this, right? So here it's time for bonus, because I want to make it more valuable for you. Okay, now don't worry. See, a lot of people here ask me, bro, your gold package is of 2,999 and you're sharing 2,000 rupees, and that's the same with platinum. That means you're sharing around 67% of what the turnover that the company is getting. Then how are you able to survive? See, I have 3 companies, right? I have been training people about businesses. I know how to make a business profitable. So listen to these 2 answers. First one, we don't need to create these kind of products every single time. Digital products are just made one, recorded, put on the portal, and then they get sold repeatedly. Okay, so we don't need to include manufacturing expenses into that. Okay, so I mean, take out 20% GST and 2% the payment gateway fees. Okay, rest we are paying you, and whatever the 10%, 15% which we are having, it's good enough to run a company, because we are getting into volumes. Okay, the second thing is that, but in fact have told you both the points, right? One, that we are getting good profit, and second, we don't need to create these products every single day. Had this been a physical product, then yes, your doubt was actually valid, but here it is not the case. Okay, now I'm going to give you some bonus as well to make it even more valuable for you, and that is, you will get 3 sales webinar every single week for your support. You can invite your friends to this webinar. In fact, we are doing more than 3 sales webinar every week. We do 2 webinars in English, 2 in Hindi. Now we have over like 100 hours of content available. You know why? Because we have 3 training webinars every single week. In a year, there are around 52 weeks, so you'll have more than 150 training sessions every single year. The cost is like over 30,000, but value would be absolutely free. Of course, you wouldn't be required to pay anything to attend this webinar. This will be free for you for the whole lifetime. So this 30,000 is only 1 year's estimate. Okay, you don't need to pay anything again in your lifetime after just making the first initial payment. In this second bonus, we're gonna give you the access to our VIP Facebook and Telegram group, wherein you will be able to interact with a lot of people who are earning great income from here, right? Who know a lot about social media, and they're always ready to help. They're always ready to share their secrets with people. Yeah, so that's the kind of community that we are building. And also on every Sunday we have special trainings for you. So even if you are able to attend like 40 trainings in the whole year, because there are 52 Sundays, the value will be more than 40,000 rupees for you, right? But it's absolutely free of cost, and these sessions are getting recorded, so they're available on YouTube for you, right? Super bonus 3, if you start with a platinum package today, you will get gold package absolutely free with that. Okay, so it will be a great benefit for you, because on platinum you will get much more commission than the gold one. Along with that, you will get the gold package absolutely free of cost, and whatever the new courses will be added into these packages, you will get that access for your lifetime absolutely free of cost, right? So we have made it more valuable for you, and this is the new category which we have introduced, which is called the Hall of Fame category. And the Hall of Fame category, only those people are invited who have not just earned 1 lakh rupees in quick time, but also who help people, okay, who help the community, who are good leaders, who are honest, who are ethical. So in this Hall of Fame, we have first entry as Robin Matthew, who earned 1 lakh rupees in just 40 days. He's an amazing speaker. You need to follow him on Facebook and Instagram, right? So this is just one of his videos. It's in Hindi, okay?
Hi guys, मेरा नाम है रॉबिन मैथ्यू और बिज गुरुकुल का बिजनेस मैंने 40 दिन
So
पहले
this was just a glimpse for you. Then we have Shubham, who earned 1 lakh rupees in 22 days. We have Piyush, 1,42,000 in just 20 days. Ritesh, 1,05,000 in 40 days. And we have Dilip, who belongs to a small village kind of background, right? But he was able to earn 1 lakh rupees in 18 days sitting at his home in the lockdown. That's the part of this affiliate marketing era system. We have Gyandev, who earned 1,02,000 in just 15 days. So you don't invest anything here with our business, okay? This is not at all an investment option. You pay here to learn, because we teach you about affiliate marketing first. We train you into that, and then you're able to earn from it by affiliating our products to other people. It's a simple thing, okay? So affiliate program is free and complimentary with you. It's totally optional. Even if you just want to study our course or attend our training, you're free to do that, okay? And it's not an MLM system, because we don't ask you to make any chains and all, okay? No leg system is here, okay? I mean, you just sell it to one person and you get commission off it. Okay, there are no other targets and all that thing as it happens with MLM. So we don't promote that system, right? So there are a lot of people who fail in affiliate marketing. Reason being that they are freebie seekers and they don't have a business mindset. See, to earn 10 rupees, you need to invest something, right? To earn even a single rupee, you need to invest like 25 paisa or 50 rupees to earn profit. But if you're a freebie seeker, affiliate marketing is not for you, right? You need to focus on your learning. Okay, what kind of learning? Learning in terms of your skills and affiliate marketing program that we just train you, right? By business mindset, I mean, see, for business, no, you need to learn it first. Okay, you need to invest time and money on your learning and then wait for the results. If you want quick results, go get a job, because you'll get your salary at the 31st day. In business, it doesn't happen, because in job you get a fixed salary. In business, income can increase into at a rocket speed, right? So that's the business mindset. Along with that, if you have a negative attitude, don't come here. You won't get success. This is not a shortcut or a get rich quick scheme, and you need to have some patience. If you're not patient enough, you won't be able to survive here, right? It's a proper business. Come here only if you want to learn. Even if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing and social media, come here, we'll train you. Okay, but come with a positive attitude and a learning attitude. And if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, be a self-decision maker. All right, you need to take action. You need to learn. You need to be a continuous learner. Don't depend on other people to take decisions for you, to make decisions for you. Be patient enough. Take action. You will learn. Right? You just need to be above 18 years of age. If you are below 18, don't worry. You can enroll on the name of any other person in your family, in your blood relation, who has his age over 18 years. You got to have a Indian bank account, a PAN card and an Aadhaar card. Even if you don't have a PAN card, don't worry, apply for it till you can submit it to us later. Okay, currently it's open only for Indian citizens. So till now, I'm sure you must have understood that you can become a part of BizGurukul if you want to create a new extra income source for yourself, if you want to increase your skills, if you want to become a social media master. We'll train you about everything here. Even after listening to up to here, see, a lot of people have different kinds of excuses. Okay, they think that they are their problems, but it's actually an excuse. Okay, I understand that you don't have money, but there was one point in my life when I didn't have money either. Okay, there was one incident in my life which I can still remember, that we were living in Amritsar because my father has a transferable job. So there was one night where we did not have even food to eat. Okay, I mean, that was such a pathetic time in my life, because we were going through a lot of financial stress. Okay, I cannot just think about it and not become emotional, because that was a really hard time of my life. But that was the day when I decided that this has to change, and it is me who need to change it, right? That is the reason why I started my business right into my college days. I didn't have money at that time either. Okay. But it is about the mindset, not the money, because we waste our money into useless things by purchasing useless items, by spending into birthday parties. And then we complain that we don't have money. We spend lakhs of rupees into an education system that can't even promise us to give us a good job, a good lifestyle, right? But we spend lakhs of rupees into that. But here, I'm asking you to invest on yourself, right? If you don't do that, you won't be able to earn well. Trust me on this, okay? You need to improve your skills. See, you can earn money only if you improve your skills. Simple equation, right? And for that, you need to invest money. Yep. Then you don't have time. You know that it's a lie, right? Because you waste your time into social media. You need to create time. See, as I told you, this business is only for serious people who are willing to put in hard work, who are willing to, get above their challenges. Simple, right? If you need to ask someone, go and ask the person who is invited you here, because he'll guide you properly about affiliate marketing at Biz Gurukul. Okay, if you're thinking of asking one of your best friends who has not even attended this webinar, how would he give you proper guidance? Okay, if you want to ask about math subject, I'll go to a math teacher, not a chemistry one, right? If you don't know where to start, don't worry, just connect with that person. He'll guide you. It's a very easy way to start. If you think you don't have customers for this, don't worry, we'll train you how to gain customers. It's not about going to people one by one. No, not at all. It's about promoting it on social media, and you will get people like you, right? You know why? Because people think alike. Yeah. All the students who are into the same college year as you, who are studying, they'll be having this kind of interest to earn money from social media these days, right? They want to improve their skills. They want to improve their skills and work experience to get a better job. If you are here, if you find this interesting, why won't they find it interesting? Yeah? And also, we'll train you how to create customers on social media. At last, I just want to ask you, do you have this thing in your mind that you won't be able to do it because you find that affiliate marketing is technical? Don't worry, we have removed all the technical and hardship from it. In the conventional way, so there are different ways to do affiliate marketing. One way is to create a blog, create a website. Not everybody is able to do it. In fact, I was not able to create my own website. I got it made from the person. But here in our affiliate program, we don't need to create a website. How would that be? Does that sound good? Sound easy? Yes, it is easy if you want to learn here. Yeah. See, you don't know how to fly a plane. You know why? Because you haven't taken the training of becoming a pilot. Yeah. But if you do that, will you be able to fly a plane? Yes. Huh? So that's the same case with affiliate marketing. If you come here, if you learn, you will be able to do it. Okay. Don't know it till now because you haven't learned it. Okay. So go out there. Don't make any excuse, because either you can make excuse or you can make money. Right. So consult your friend. Ask him whatever the doubts that you have. Ask him whatever the questions that you have. Make a decision. We are here to help you, to hold your hand and take you to success with us. Somebody has come here, so I'm just gonna end this session here. Bye bye. Take care.